Hi, have you heard about Docker? Let's find out together. Docker is a software platform that allows you to build, test, and deploy applications quickly. Docker packages software into standardized units called containers that have everything the software needs to run, including libraries, system tools, code. So, what's the problem with traditional infra? Let's find out. It is time-consuming. Need to perform configs on every server and every environment. Need to keep resolving issues related to libraries. Hard to track changes across environments. It takes time for new developer to provision his development environment. While a physical server is a single-tenant platform with dedicated resources, a hypervisor, host, can support multiple virtual servers, allowing multiple applications to run simultaneously and share physical hardware capacity amongst themselves. A physical server, also known as a bare metal server, is a single-tenant computer server, meaning that a specific physical server is designated to a single user. The resources and components of a physical server are not shared between multiple users. Why should we use containers? As Docker reduces the need for more infrastructure resources for development, and the container created for individual processes can be shared with other apps, with instances of these containerized apps using less memory compared to virtual machines. It makes the development and deployment process more cost-effective. Install Docker from link mentioned in description. Let's learn about Docker architecture. Docker terminology: Docker daemon, Docker client, Docker images, Docker containers. Docker registry is a storage and distribution system for Docker images. The same image might have multiple different versions, identified by their tags. A Docker registry is organized into Docker repositories, where a repository holds all the versions of a specific image. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.